Hello adventurers! Today, we're diving into the world of Foxelli Folding Trekking Poles, your ultimate companion for stability and balance on any terrain. Crafted from durable aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, these poles weigh just 11.6 ounces each, offering exceptional balance and reducing joint impact during those long hikes. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned hikers, these collapsible walking sticks pack down to a compact 14.6 inches, making them ideal for travel and easy to stow in the included carry bag. With an effortless quick lock system, you can adjust the poles to your preferred height, while the ergonomic cork grips and extended foam sleeves ensure maximum comfort and a secure grip, reducing vibration for a more enjoyable hiking experience. Designed to withstand the toughest trails, these poles come with 4-season accessories, making them durable and reliable for all your adventures. Whether you're hiking, walking, backpacking, or traveling, Foxelli Folding Trekking Poles are built to support your journey every step of the way. So gear up and get ready to explore the great outdoors with confidence and comfort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.